guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the new Marc Jacobs Lash'd Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. Okay, I look crazy and weird because I'm testing out the Patrick Starr's One Size Beauty eye makeup or eye products. So I am in the middle of filming, but I wanted to test this out, so I figured why take my makeup off and do it again just to test this. So like I said, this is the Marc Jacobs Lash'd Lifting and Volumizing Mascara in Black Core, and this retails for $27. Let's read the facts about it real quick. Long wear lengthening and curling mascara for a highly defined full extension lash look. Sign me up. Ooh, that is heavy. So this is the packaging. It's kind of cool. It's like a gold and black stripe. This is really cool. Let's see what the brush looks like. Ooh, interesting. So this is the wand. It's pretty, like, I want to say it's thick, but it's not thick. But like, I don't know. The lady at the store, I was trying to decide between this and the Hourglass one, both that are new. She said that the Hourglass was more of like a rubbery wand, and this one was more like fibrous, which I prefer fibers. Really, it's not that I care about the fiber part. The fiber, I feel like, makes it look nicer. I just personally can't stand the texture of the rubber wands. And there's a loud ass car going by. Okay, are we done? So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Probably the worst time to try this, I just realized, because I have I have liner on, I have full face, but I know my lashes, so I'm gonna know. Let me actually zoom you in. Is that better? Don't judge my makeup. I don't want to hear it. This is why I don't let you come close. I don't want to hear it. Let's try this mascara though. Okay, so this is just one coat. Am I even in focus? Hopefully you can see it over the liner. Sorry, told you, I'm horrible at this. I can see it over the liner. It is really pretty. Just smells like a normal mascara. Not any weird scent. Okay, so I went ahead and just did both eyes, one layer. I have not dunked this back in, and there is still product on this. Like, I probably still could keep going, but I'm gonna go ahead and dunk it back in and do a second layer, because I always do 2 layers. Oh, okay.
Holy shit.
Okay, so this is 2 layers of the mascara. Oh my gosh, like, you can see it over my liner. That doesn't normally happen. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, let me back you out real quick. Sorry, that was too uncomfortable. You can't be that close that long. So let's talk about this. Because I'm so gracious, I'm gonna insert a picture without eyeshadow on. Oh my god, I swear there's been noise after noise today. Okay, now that he's gone, I'm gonna insert a picture for you with me having no eyeshadow on so that you can actually see this, because I know sometimes, a lot of times, with eyeliner on and heavy makeup, it's harder to see the lash. So I'll insert a picture so that you can see that. But I love this so far. So I personally like the look of this lash, which is kind of like, I don't want to say clumpy, because it's not necessarily clumpy, because I was able to wiggle it and it unclumped. I will say it did get clumpy at first, and I think that's the like fiber look. But wiggling it unclumped them, so they aren't clumped now, but they definitely look thicker. This is like what I look for in lashes, because if you watch my channel, if you don't, then you wouldn't know, but I really don't wear lashes, fake lashes. I do have a pair that I have been wanting to try, because it's the magnetic one. I just don't wear them. They're a pain in the butt to put on. Not magnetic, I'm just talking about lashes in general. I haven't tried the magnetic. They're a pain in the butt to put on. You have to wait for the glue to dry, then you have to get it in the right position, and I'm just not talented like that. So I just can't stand wearing them. So I look for a mascara that gives me this, like gives me almost the appearance of false lashes, and I feel like this does a really good job of it. Obviously if I had false lashes on, it would be even more dramatic than this, but I feel like for a mascara to show above my liner and to not have even curled my lashes, that's good. That's good. I do have one downfall that I've noticed so far, and we'll see as I go throughout using this if it continues to be a downfall, is it's a very liquidy formula, and I'm not a fan of liquidy formulas. I'd rather have a dry formula. However, sometimes sometimes mascaras, when you first open them, they're liquidy, but after a day or two it starts to dry out just from having it open when you're using it. So I'm hoping that this does that, because if not, it's gonna kind of get irritating. It's the reason I stopped using, I don't know the name of it, Kush Mascara by Milk. I stopped using this. I liked it at first, but same thing, it was liquidy. Wow, this is really heavy. It was liquidy, and so I didn't like that aspect, but the same thing as what I'm saying with this, I hoped that it would dry down, but because of this formulation, it doesn't dry down. I haven't used it in a while, so maybe it's dried out by now and I can use it, but I've had it for months, and last time I used it, it hadn't dried at all, which is good in a kind of, because that means that you can use that product longer. But personally, I don't like a wet formula. I'd rather it be on the dry side. So this isn't too crazy wet that it irritates me like the other one does, but if it doesn't dry out a little bit over time, I'm not going to want to continue to use it. So this will definitely be a product I'm going to have to follow up with, but as of right now, I'm obsessed with it, and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, I'm not a person that likes to spend money on mascara either. And $27 is a hefty price for mascara in my opinion. But I like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have nothing else to say. By the time this video goes live, I should have worn this at least a week. Hopefully, if I'm timing this right. So check in the comments or in the description box down below, and I'll make a note of how it's performed over time and if it has dried out some. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.